Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Ness. Today I'm gonna do a quick review on my leather jacket 118 from SchottNyc with the experience shorten the sleeve from SchottNyc store as well. And I will share with you guys my 3 different looks I create to go with this leather jacket 118, and this is one of my favorite leather jacket that I ever purchased. Before we get into the topic of this video, I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. When I went there and I didn't really know what to expect, I asked a lot of people, and the employee in the store actually is very helpful. He told me like, hey, if you're riding a bike, you should have your sleeve above your wrist a little bit, or if you're not riding the bike, then it just very depend on the person that like to wear the leather jacket. To me, I just want to be exact above my wrist a little bit, like half an inch. So I asked them to shorten my sleeve 2.5 inch. So before that, my leather jackets, the sleeve is mad long, everybody comment on my video was like, hey, the leather jacket was so big on you, maybe you should get a smaller size. I would tell them shut up, because I'm only 5'2", my weight is 110, so that's impossible for me to find a leather jacket that fit my body. But I still rock better than most of the people on the street, wear the exact size. So before you comment on this video, please know my height and my size. This is size XXS, the smallest size that I can get from SchottNyc. There's no smaller than this XXS. I'm already very happy with the fit of this leather jacket when I got them. Somehow a person that give me the comment that I able to shorten my sleeve, I was like, I definitely gonna do it. Couple months later, I brought it to SchottNyc store. It took them more than half a month to shorten my sleeve. Right now, it's just like the jacket that I used to have before, it was perfect. But now it's perfecto. Perfecto is more like a plus perfect. I'm really happy with this. And before you comment on this, please note it, I'm only 5'2". My weight is 110. That's impossible for me to find a leather jacket that fit me perfectly. That's a short people problems. So before you leave the comment down, just keep that in mind. And not everybody want to fit exactly like around your waist. And up next, I'm gonna share with you guys my 3 different looks I create to go with this leather jacket 118 model. The first look I go with this leather jacket is more like a winter season, so I often wear a turtleneck. This turtleneck is, you don't have to spend expensive money on some turtleneck. I see like people spend 200, like 150. This turtleneck, I got it from H&M. If you want a regular basics essential item, then you should go to H&M or Uniqlo. You don't need to spend some crazy stuff that turtleneck like costs $200-300. I think it's a waste of money, and you wear the inside anyway, so the leather jackets speak for itself. This turtleneck and with corduroy dark brown pants. This recent month, I'm really into the color palette dark brown, so that's why you see me wearing this pants. Usually I'm not really into brown color, but dark brown is a good color palette. I think it's for this season too. It's a trendy color palette, dark brown. That's why you see me wearing this sweater that dark brown as well. And go with one of my favorite brand, my Marcel Derby shoes. Feel like this entire look is very cozy, because I wear suede derby from Marcel, corduroys, pants, and with the turtleneck. And eyewear, I only wear Cobram eyewear. The rest of the other eyewear is not really impressed me, especially into the design. Me personally, I only wear Cobrum eyewear. And with my leather gloves, this look, it just remind me of the game Hitman. If you know what I'm talking about, this is like one of my, I don't know, this look is just way too cool. Somehow it don't really speak for me. Let's go to the second look on this video. Is also, I think this color palette on this look is just perfect because gray colors, white and black, it's just never go wrong, this is very basic, however is the cleanest look in this video. I go with my weight tee that I got it from H&M premium line, one of my favorite brand weight tee in the market. Whenever you see me wear weight tee, I only got my weight tee from H&M premium line. Just like they very affordable, good quality and good fitting. And I see a lot of video out there were telling you that, oh, it's a perfect fit weight tee. Don't listen to that. You know what the perfect fit? Get in shape. You can fit the weight tee perfectly. You don't have to find yourself a good brand like weight tee there and too expensive. This weight tee is only like, I think, $15. And another brand that I'm really into for these last couple months is Sandro, because I couldn't find any really pants that fit my waist perfectly without using a belt. Sandro, the sizing is pretty good. The quality is even better too. However, it's a little bit pricey. If you can get it on sale, go get them. Will not be disappointed. I don't know about their clothes, but I only own their pants, so I'm not sure about the apparel and jacket. I really like the fit of it without using a belt. And go with another pair of Marcel. This is like a derby cap skin. I just love this pair of shoes from Marcel. And also, this is my first time ever that I actually wear these shoes outside of the street, and go with my glasses that from Cobrum as well. Very basic, not trying hard, but very stylish. Go to my last but not least, my third look is, this look is more like my personality more than my first and my second look, because I'm wearing camouflage, looking like a bad boy look, with leather jacket, with the hoodies. This camouflage pants is one of my favorite from Carhartt camouflage. The color is just perfect compared to the other camouflage that I have. And go with my Marcel boot. I only wear Marcel for now, for this winter. I think my top up there brand that whenever I buy like something like dressy, something like essential, or something like a little bit good quality but also iconic at the same time, then I will go to Marcel to find myself a pair of boot or a dress shoes. I don't really wear dress shoes from nobody else, only Marcel. If you ever own a pair of Marcel, you know what I'm talking about. The material, the smell of a pair of Marcel. The pricing is not great, but it's worth your money for sure. And go with my regular hoodie that you can find them in Uniqlo, H&M. Doesn't have to be like top to bottom, everything have to be expensive. Just a couple items that stand out already caught the attention. Go with my eyewear again from Cobrum. It's just like, I only wear Cobrum, man. Unless it's the performance, I will wear a sunglasses workout, then I will wear some other brand. Other than that, only wear Cobrum exclusively. there you have it. This is my review again on this leather jacket 11A. If you haven't watched that video on my first review on this leather jacket, check them out. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. It costs only $75, so you want to fit it perfectly, then just spend another $75. The service is pretty quick. I don't think it's gonna take that long. I think it's around like 3 to 4 weeks they will complete the service. And my experience with SchottNyc is I just love the service that they have. The employee in the store in New York City is just, they are professional, you know. I think they only allow 3 inches shorten is the max. I go to like 2.5. So before you leave the comment say the leather jacket too big for me, please note it. I'm only 5'2" and my weight is 110. So that's impossible for me to find a leather jacket that fit me and good quality at the same time. So just let you know that. And thank you for the person that give me the advice that bring my short leather jacket NYC to the store so they can help me to shorten my sleeve. Definitely, I agree with him that the sleeve was long and it's kind of bothered me when I put my hand in the pocket sometimes because it's like too much excess leather around my wrist. That is kind of hard for me, just like moving my arm actually. And if you like this video, give me a thumb up. And if you like one of the look I create to go with this leather jacket, comment below in the comment sections. I will see you soon on the next video. I'm out.